will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go here, go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on notifications here, you just click on it. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, then you come here to show missed calls notifications. Click in this sign. Sorry, like you see this color show for us. That's mean here show missed calls notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.